Yep. Oh shit.
My God, psycho.
Under arrest.
Today. Oh my God. What is that?
Y ahora, de conformidad con las últimas teorías.
Say cheese butt.
Oh. Pounce, pounce, pounce. Yes! Boom!
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little...
Run.
Quiero una estofa, una tele.
Been entertaining us in the studio for about 50.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Guys, stop it. Do that. The freaking counters! Augustus, calm down. Mommy's. Get off the table, now.
Macaroni turns one. Ow.
Oh shit!
Don't do that.
Oh no!
There's nothing there. What's wrong?
You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
Feet like this here. Oh, hell.
She's not a big fan. Oh, is she? Oh,
Oh, God. You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
No, boy.
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Is he going to deliver speed?
Do it again.
Run.
Should I get a dog?
and I are gonna get dressed. Lead me where my trust is without. No! No!
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
What can I get for you?
Oh, that's good. Yep.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hey.
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Does anyone have any advice?
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
Monument in 1909 to save the declining Earth.
Hi.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
Oh, we got one.
Bro, Michael.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Really careful. Not yet. Roger.